What's up, guys? Today we're just gonna be doing a quick video with drive and wash and shooting some stuff for the merch. But before we start, really quick, just Ethan left his watch out over here, so that's a free bumper for my new project car, and then Eric also left his camera, so I'm gonna take that as well. So yeah, we're just gonna be washing, and stay tuned, guys.
Oh, I'm spilling! I'm spilling!
Eric's trying to fill up his premix right now.
Dude, that was at least $1.
He's leaking.
$1 I just spilled.
We have so many damn cars at this house, and you know what you do when you have a lot of cars? Buy more. Ethan just picked this up. It is a 318 shell, so no interior or anything. But he plans on making this just like a complete race car, which is going to be super cool. So just another lawn ornament for us.
Gas, by the way, so we have to get gas. Like 12 feet from here. Like right away.
The hose is my op, dude. It soaked the whole rear of my leg. Ethan just brought this out, which looks a little suggestive.
That's how I pick it up. I was just gonna pick it up and see how it...
What is this?
I don't know.
That looks like it's scratch paint. Ooh. What the hell?
You're gonna have to clean his rims in the Bay Area, bro.
I'm walking away from any conversation where the word rim is used. Also.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your...
You know. Sunset's really nice today, so we're probably gonna head up for a drive. Oh! Alright, so I feel like Alright guys, so today we're gonna be working. Alright guys, so just finished washing. I feel like I wash in every single vlog, and I always remark on how absolutely crazy white these are. Last time I said they're as white as a CSGO flashbang. I'm trying to think of something whiter than that, but just can't think of anything that white. So, yeah, anyways. Thank you. We love people that pull over. Oh my god, look at the horses. Oh my... That's a whole ass horse. Yeah, so I really like making these POV drives. It's kind of chill just because driving is kind of my happy place. I don't know. I feel most comfortable when I'm driving, so just being able to record and talk is very chill. I just hit like a rock or something. Did you guys hear that? And there's someone stopped in the middle of the road. Somebody is... What in the... Boy, what the hell, boy? God, you always hit people like that when you're driving. Like either stopped in the middle of the road or people just doing weird stuff, but it's whatever. We survive. Best not to complain. I love this road because it's a mix of technical and then a little bit more higher speeds, so you can get down into tight, some off-camber corners, then also some room to rev it out like there. It's a fun road, man. I can no longer see Eric. Nope, there he is. Okay. Just worried. You gotta keep an eye on that man. When we're driving and when we're at home, you never know what he's gonna do. Should have downshifted there or whatever. Nathan is keeping pace behind me. Love to see it. Love to see it. The other day, Nathan, who's the other person we're driving with, he actually rented a GR86, like the new 86. And I've had some people ask me like what I think about it. That thing is so cool. Like, I think that will be a fantastic Touge car. The regular twins right now, the 86, BRZ, and the FRS, those are great Touge cars, man. They're light, they're rear wheel drive, manual, fun. You can fit fat tires under there. And the new 86 is just like the upgrade of that. It's super nice on the inside too. It's just like a daily. So I think Nathan's gonna try to buy one of those eventually. And I'm so looking forward to that. He's low-key gonna be able to outrun me in that thing. Speak of the devil, that was a new 86. What the hell? Biker, I won't kill you, don't worry. That new 86 is awesome. Honestly, any new car that is catering to enthusiasts, I'm gonna love. I mean, the new 400Z is sick, manual rear wheel drive sports car. The new Supra gets hate because it's like a BMW, but like Toyota tuned the suspension and did all the engine tuning. And so like, what, I don't care. I hate when people complain. It's like, we got a Supra, so be happy with the fact that we even got a manual Supra in a market where manuals are dying. I'm gonna put Minecraft cow sound effect there. Just knowing me, knowing how I edit. Also, tonight I'm going to be filming a how to get into Touge video. I know a lot of people have been asking for that, so just a heads up, that'll probably be posted, I don't know, 2 or 3 days from whenever this goes up. Just because I know there's a lot of people out there that kind of want to get into driving but don't know where to start. So tune in for that video when that's released, because that will be that'll be kind of all my thoughts on like best places to start, cars, how to find a road, what to do, what not to do, all that kind of stuff. These blind corners are kind of scary. I don't want to rip around these in case there's someone like that Civic. This, however, I can see the road ahead, so I can cut that. Another thing people ask me a lot about is cutting on when driving Touge. Honestly, it's different people will tell you different things. I always like to stay in my own lane. With the exception of times where I can see the road ahead like that. So this whole road I could see from back there, and I could see that there was nobody coming, so I knew I could cut that corner like that. But generally, I don't know, cutting on like a blind corner, ever going into the other lane on a spot where you can't obviously see the road ahead is just like a big no in my book, honestly. Just because it's endangering potentially innocent people who are just maybe driving on the road, not even trying to drive, so not a good look. All right, I'm gonna rip it here. part of this road is smooth. Like that was nice. But once you start getting down here, further down the hill, it gets really, really bumpy, and so can't really run it like that with the bumps unless I'm trying to get bumped off the cliff. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun making this video, and there are more vlogs and stuff like that coming later. So anyways, I'm super appreciative for all you guys, and yeah, thanks for watching.